Hello guys, my name is Simon. This is a BMW M135i I bought from a salvage auction here in the UK. As you can hear, it sounds pretty cool. Nice black leather interior. It's got only 59,000 miles on the clock. The car suffered damage on a front passenger side corner here. Here in the UK, you alright? Yeah, here in the UK this car is classed as a category N, which means it didn't suffer non-structural damage. As you can see here, the frame is untouched, luckily. It had this bit damaged here. Obviously I already changed the headlights on it and the door. I haven't made a video about that. At the moment I'm still waiting for parts to come in, and then I'm gonna start working on. Today I'm just gonna try to remove the door panel from the old door and put it here on a new one. Also the wing mirror. Yeah, here is the little garage that we're gonna be working on the car. As you can see, my dad here working on a BMW X3. Okay, so let's get started on the door. Okay, so the door cards are off. I took the speakers off. I'm not sure if my door has the same speaker as this, but just in case I put it back, its own speakers that belongs to the car. And we might face a problem because the door that was on this car has puddle lights in the door handle and this one doesn't, and I'm not sure where the connections are or where I'm gonna connect it. We'll see in a minute when I take the other door apart, which is inside here. Look, this was the damage on it. It's really bad, unrepairable, so I need to take the mirrors off. And here are the puddle lights. Yeah, I gotta take this apart and put it back on there. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, this is what I was afraid of. So I'm gonna have to take out all this, have to pull it through the door, because as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors, and if you look on the other door, there's only 1, 2, so that's gonna be a pain. Okay, so this wiring harness is out with a little light. But I haven't got a clue how we're gonna put this back to the other one. Let's see if I can figure it out. car is it. Seems like it's working perfectly fine. Gaps are perfect. Mirror is on. So after I got the door together, we did some alignment with my dad on the door as well, because it wasn't sitting properly. The gap is still a bit big here, but I think this is as close as we can get it, because there's not many things you can adjust here. And I give it a little wash and it looks 10 times better when it's clean. I can't wait to get this car done and actually start driving it. I can't wait to drive this thing. I read loads of things about it, and everyone's saying that it's a blast to drive. So obviously I can't wait to get it back on the road and start driving it, and maybe do some mods to it. Yeah, I love modifying cars. Before this car I had an Audi A4. I will try to put some pictures in a video about that car. So yeah, I can't wait to drive this thing and do some interesting things with it. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.